In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a file in Microsoft Teams Essentials chat. Whether you need to send documents, presentations, or images, sharing files in Microsoft Teams can streamline your communication and collaboration with colleagues. Let's walk through the simple steps to ensure you're sharing files effectively. First, you'll want to open Microsoft Teams Essentials and navigate to the Chat tab. You'll see this tab on the left side of your screen. It's where all your conversations are housed. Once you're in there, you need to select the specific chat conversation in which you'd like to share your file. Click on the conversation, whether it's a one-on-one chat or a group discussion. The process is identical for both scenarios. Now direct your attention to the bottom of the chat box. You'll notice a paperclip icon labeled as Attach. Go ahead and click on this icon. Doing so will present you with a couple of options for sharing your file. If you choose Upload from my computer, you'll be able to select a file directly from your device. Navigate through your folders and find the file you wish to share. This option is perfect for files saved on your local drive. Alternatively, you might prefer to use the OneDrive option if you want to share a file stored in your OneDrive cloud storage. This can be particularly handy for files you've collaborated on or those you regularly access remotely. Once you've made your selection, it's time to click Open. You'll have the option to add a personalized message to accompany your file, which can provide context or additional instructions to your recipient. After that, it's as easy as pressing Send, which is represented by the familiar paper plane icon, and voila, your file is on its way. Now, anyone involved in that chat will be able to view or download the file directly from the conversation. But what if you want to access shared files at a later time, or you're trying to find something someone else sent? Don't worry, Teams has that covered too. Just go to the chat window and look for the Files tab at the very top. Clicking here will present all the documents, images, or other files that have been shared in that particular chat. It's an organized and accessible way to keep track of important materials exchanged during your discussions. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to share a file in Microsoft Teams Essentials chat and manage shared files efficiently. By mastering this simple skill, you can enhance your productivity and ensure seamless collaboration with your team. Thank you for tuning in and happy sharing.